Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Roblox error code 403. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to log out session. So for that, you need to enter into your Roblox application. Yeah, once you entered into your Roblox application, please search for three dot icon, which is located on the left bottom, and then settings. Over the settings, please click into security and please scroll down, and you may see log out all other session. So please do that and close it. Our second step is to reset internet settings. So for that you need to enter into the command prompt as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. Once it's done, please type exit. And our third step is to disable proxy. For that you need to enter into your security. Over the security, please enter into your network and internet and then proxy and then setup. For that, please make sure you are in disable condition and then save it. So our fourth step is to clear Roblox cache. So for that you need to press Windows R and then type percentage local app data percentage slash Roblox. Then delete the log file folder. So our fifth step is to allow the app through security or firewall. So for that you need to enter into the firewall and network and then allow an application. Click change settings and please scroll down and check whether the Roblox application is enabled in private and public. If it's enabled, it's good to go. If not, please enable and then click OK. So sixth step is to change DNS. Before that, you need to type view network connection and then open it. Over there, right click your network properties and then internet protocol and use the following DNS server address as 8888 and 8844. Then click OK. So our seventh step is to fix date and time. So for that you need to enter into the settings, time and language, date and time. Please check if the automatic option is enabled or not. If not, please enable it, close it. And our last step is to reset the PC. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the video and issue will be solved. Bye bye.